Hey guys, this is Tom from Virtual Tours Creator. In this video series I will give you tricks and tips on how to take proper 360 photos of a property. In this tutorial we're gonna talk about blown out windows. Sometimes it's just impossible to avoid it. You have to remember that the 360 technology is not the same as what you see while watching this video. What I mean by avoiding the blown out windows is, first of all, as I said, we have to avoid the uneven spread of light, so we have to point the edge of the camera towards the strongest source of light, which is the window. Now, you have to remember that we're doing a virtual walkthrough, so what's behind the window is not so important like in normal photography. You can take another 360 photo of the outside if you want to show it to your customers and put a hotspot on the window, and it's going to take them to the view behind the window. So please remember that. Okay? Now, to take a proper photo of the interior, I would always advise to close all the shutters, blinds, even doors. As you can see now, we have very nice even lighting in this room, and nothing is in our way to show the beauty of this bedroom. So remember, close the blinds, close the shutters, close the doors, and that's going to give you a really nice 360 photo. Thank you.